quick. I'm just trying to capture a sound of a woodpecker. It sounds like a big one because it's a really loud noise. There, did you get it? I can't see it yet. Let's see if it goes again. Got mosquitoes biting me. There, hopefully you got that one. Well, I can't see it, so I'm just going to stay in the same position and just watch the kids fighting. They definitely enjoy each other's company. Nana's like a football player. She really knows how to get around. She makes it difficult getting together. When the other kids were here, she really had a good time because she'd have them all trying to catch her, and she'd weave and weave in and out. Now, has my woodpecker stopped because of hearing me talking? I'm not sure, but hopefully we got the first two.